Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today's video I will help you how to set up chat lock password on your WhatsApp chat. Click on continue and it says set up face or fingerprint to lock your or unlock this chat. First of all, go back here, go to your Play Store and App Store, search here WhatsApp, update your WhatsApp if your update is available. Go back here, open your device settings, scroll down, open password and security and click on fingerprint. Enter your password and add fingerprint. After adding fingerprint, click on finish. Now go back to your WhatsApp and lock your chat. Click on fingerprint. As you can see, now your chat is open. Hope you like the video. If you like video, do subscribe my channel.